Hi friends, welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to show quickly how you can get out of S mode. So if you have a machine and you no longer want to be in S mode because of its limited nature for your purposes, and you've decided I want to get out of S mode. So S mode, getting out is a one-way street. So once you get out, and in my case I have Windows S mode 11 on this. So when I get out, I will be in Windows 11, plain old Windows 11. So to do that quickly, you want to go into settings and then go into activation. So you type settings in your search field. Sorry, not settings. You type activation, ACTI. So it comes up here at the top. So I click on activation settings, and it's going to take me to this page, and I want to look in the center right here where it says S mode. Click on this. It says S mode allows verified Microsoft Store apps for security, speed, and simplicity. In my case, that's not been my experience, and I'm not the only one who's seen that. If you want a lockdown environment, then fine. But if you want to be more control over your machine, install what you want, and you have a nice machine in S mode and it's limited, then this is the way to go in my opinion. So let's click on the drop down arrow and then click open store. It's going to the store, and again it's warning you this is a one-way street. Do you really want to do it? Of course we want to do it. So I click on get. Okay, and it's telling me to put there's another user on this, so it's asking me to put that user password in. So I'll type that in. I say yes. Says come up and says you have switched out of S mode and can now install apps from outside the store. Now why wouldn't I want to do that? So I say close. Right. So then I can close this out. And then right away McAfee want to install. I don't want to install that. I say don't install. And I close that out, and let's check system information to see what it's showing right now. So right now it's showing a standard Microsoft Windows 11 home, and before I couldn't install Chrome. Let's install Chrome now. Basically I couldn't install anything other than going through the app store. So let's go see. So let's go Chrome download, and we're gonna, yeah. So just like that, you can do whatever you want with your machine, and already I can see the machine is starting to, the response is faster, right? So if you have a machine that, and you're just tired of the limitation from S mode, you want to expand your horizon and load what you want on your computer. Well, honestly, I say this is the way to go. If this helped you, please remember to like, to share, and to subscribe for more videos like this. I have more videos coming down the tube. Okay? So until next time, have yourself a great day. Bye now.